Hey guys, Chris, the Late Night Law Picker. Got another picking video for you. Finally got a couple minutes to myself and try and get this lock done. This one's an Ace padlock, 5-pin, that I got in the recent lock trade with Pickaholic, formerly known as Darth Paul 123. Beautiful little lock. Works awesome. See, it is locked. Haven't had a lot of time for picking. I haven't even picked up a pick in several days, but we're going to try and get back in the routine. I got a 50 thousandths pry bar, a spare Attila, and a low HD. 50 thousandths pry bar, top of the keyway. This is my first attempt on this lock. I usually try and film it on my first attempt. I don't like to pick up a lock a bunch of times and then pick it on camera. I don't like to know the binding order. After I've picked the lock once or twice, I ship it out and move on. So we're gonna see if we can get into it. Straight to the back, light tension. Everything's springy, a little more tension. Gotta click on 5. Got a little bit of rotation on the cord. 4. Counter rotation and a click. Oh, that was my tension wrench. Not pin 1. I almost pulled it right out. I always try and film my first time, and I'll tell you guys if it's my first attempt or not. I'll pick it on camera for about 20 minutes or so. And if I can't get it, I'll cut the video and call it a defeat for the time being and film it again. But I'll let you know it's not my first attempt. Oh, false set. I'm not a very technological person. I'm a construction, locksmith, rip, tear, and smash kind of guy. I work with my hands. Technology is not my strong suit. I can use it in passable fashion, but I don't have any editing software on my computer. So if you guys have any information on some good editing software, something, free or somewhat, not too expensive that would work for what I'm doing, just editing lockpicking videos, that'd be great. Or any information or tips on making a intro for my channel would be greatly appreciated. I'm not sure about any of it. Thinking about having a contest or a giveaway. I'm up to 60 subscribers. I never thought I would. If I got 10, I would have been happy. So getting pretty close. I don't know. The rate I'm going, maybe in 6 months I'll have 100 subscribers, and we'll do a giveaway. I got a lockpick set I'd like to give away to one of you guys or gals that support my channel. So I think that'd be pretty cool. I never thought I would reach what I am already, 60 subscribers. That's, man, if I had 4 or 5, I would have been happy, but over halfway to 100, pretty exciting for me. The content I put out, some of the videos you guys put out are just phenomenal. Some of the locks you're picking and your intros and the edit, just everything is awesome. And I film and upload. There's no editing or intros whatsoever. So you guys, just incredible. Almost lost tension. There, okay. Number 1 put me back into a full set. So yeah, if any of you have any idea on software or how to make an intro for my channel, please let me know down below. We'll reset. The camera doesn't want to focus on the lock, it wants to focus on my vise. And that's not going to work. Come on, camera. I know it's a nice vise, but we're picking locks here. I don't know what's going on here. Can't feel anything. Yes, I see now. Okay. I see the problem. My pick was bending and I was hitting the warding on the side. I don't know if I bent this pick or not. Let's see here. Yeah, we got a slight curve to it. Try and straighten it back out. Maybe I should be using a thinner pick. These are my 25,000s. I just don't feel like going downstairs to get my 20s right now. I want to get this lock picked. Wait a second. I've got my everyday carry pick set beside me. I believe I've got a 20 in there. And some of my homebrew 18,000s. There we go. There's a 20 there. And right there. And I just lost it. There we go, bit of a false set. Just needed a thinner pick is all. That's much better. And open. So there we go. That's all we needed. Just needed a thinner pick. My 25,000s was hitting on the side. Or maybe that was because my good luck charm just walked in. My son just walked in. He's up from his nap. So, say hi, Andrew.
Hi.
There you go. There's my son, everyone. So we got it open. That was my first attempt. We got her.
No, I want to be like you.
Yeah?
I want to be a lock sniffer.
You want to be a lock sniffer?
Like you.
How about a lock picker?
I want to pick it.
Okay. You just hold on, buddy. Daddy's gonna got this, and we're gonna go play outside. Okay?
Ow, it's starting.
Just hold on, buddy. Just hold on.
It says there's someone coming in.
There it is. There's the core out of it. Okay, just shh. Daddy's almost done. Okay, there. It is picked. We do have a key, so we can relock it. There's the C-clip off. My pinning tweezers are right here somewhere. Sorry everyone, I wasn't ready for this at all. I've got 5 or 6 sets of pin and tweezers, but I guess they all wanted to wander off at the moment. guess we're going to do it without pin and tweezers, and we're going to attempt to. Probably shim this just to be sure. It's okay, bud, just leave me. And we botched it already. We dropped a pin.
Oh.
Only one. Only one pin we missed. Nope, there's two. Okay, so that's pin number one.
Where's your stuff? I don't want.
There's pin two. There's something's going on here. Let's see. I seem to be missing a pin. No, there's one. Okay, that's pin two. There's the spring for pin two. No pin for pin three. I don't know what happened there. Pin four.
Pin 4, yeah. I need a pin.
Let's go the other way. Nothing in number. Oh yeah, that's pin 6. Oh, and there goes number 5. This is only a 5 pin lock, so that would make sense. And there it is. There's 5. So we got a serrated. We got a serrated spool, serrated spool, serrated spool.
Rider.
And I am missing a pin. I don't know where it went. Hopefully we will find it. Oh, there it is right there probably. And spot number 6. Yeah, there it is. It fell into the keyway. Fell into the core. So let's move everything up and take a look at those key pins, everyone. We got serrated, 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 and serrated. So there it is, everyone. Let's take a quick look at these, see if we can see it. The core just rolled and knocked off a pin. Today, there it is right there. Sorry about this, guys. This was not very well done, but we got serrated key pin and driver, serrated key pin spool, serrated driver, serrated key pin, serrated spool, serrated key pin, serrated spool driver, serrated key pin, and serrated spool driver. So we can take a look at these. Won't show up very well. I know it won't. Oh, there it is. Serrated spool. So all the spools in this are serrated. There we go. Thank you, Pickaholic, for the lock. That was the Ace Hardware Hardened Steel. All security pins. Just needed a homebrew pick to get it open. So there we go. Thanks for joining me. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for the support, and stay tuned for another video coming soon. Bye.